Hello, I'm Demi Utley with Utley Strategies, where we help businesses with their sales proposals. In today's video, we're going to take it all the way back and start with defining proposal writing and go over 3 of the key skills that are needed to make proposal writing successful. Let's dive in. First, a definition. So proposal writing is a type of persuasive writing that presents a solution to a challenge or a problem that the buyer or the customer is experiencing. So an example might be an organization that is selling a product or service, such as maybe they're selling laptops or they're selling cleaning services to another company, and they will use proposal writing to create a proposal for why that company should buy from them. Nonprofits also use proposal writing when applying for grants to solicit funding for their projects and to keep their organization going. So those are just a few different kinds of proposal writing and how it's used. I will make note that proposal writing is often confused with business plan writing, and these are actually 2 very distinct skill sets. So proposal writing is a sales function where you are selling something via text in a document to a customer to ask them to buy from you. A business plan is more of a strategic document and less of a sales document, and it's used to align the company to specific goals, often used by management to help, hit those goals and things like that. So proposal lies within the sales function, whereas business plan lies within more of the management strategy function. They're like a little bit different, but they do require different skill sets. Okay, so now that you know what proposal writing is, let's take a look at the 3 most important skill sets that proposal writers should have, or anyone who is writing a proposal. So the first one is a persuasive writing skill set. This is absolutely essential because you're asking people to buy from you. So developing your persuasive writing is critical to winning your proposal. So by persuasive writing, what I mean is the ability to understand the intended audience and then translate those insights into writing to achieve the desired effect, which in this case is buying from you. So persuasive writing is absolutely fundamental to proposal writing, and it is what will make your proposal stand out and ensure your success in the long run. The second most important skill set for proposal writing is technical writing. So this is especially important if you're writing something complex or a technical document, but it's necessary for any proposal because no matter what you do, you're going to have a technical component. And by that, I mean your project approach, your process, describing your solution, whatever it is. So as part of technical writing, the job of the proposal writer is to make it easy for the audience to understand what it is that you're saying, even if they're not familiar with whatever your area is. So in the example of selling laptops, maybe they don't know the different technical components of the laptop, and you need to explain why having these is important. For something like a cleaning service, you'll want to explain why your approach or the products you use or your team or anything like that are essential to the project and will achieve the customer's goals. So it's a little bit technical and a little bit more of diving into the details and making them understand why your approach works. Some of the biggest work in technical writing is removing jargon because you're used to using the language of your industry every day, but your customer and your audience might not understand that. So you'll need to go through and remove that from your proposal. And you will also want to simplify any complex explanations and maybe create easy to understand examples where appropriate to make sure that your audience is following what you're saying. And our last important skill, though there are many more, our last key important skill of proposal writing is time management. So unlike some other writing fields, proposals often have very tight deadlines, with the exception of maybe journalism. But proposals have very tight deadlines that can't be missed, especially if you're responding to an RFP. You can't miss that deadline because then they won't even review your proposal and you lose out on that contract. So establishing good time management skills is essential for proposal writing and winning more projects in the future. Okay, so that's a quick overview of proposal writing and the top 3 skills that every person writing proposal needs. For more proposal tips, make sure you subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos. Feel free to also download our technical proposal writing playbook if you want to get started on perfecting your technical writing skills, and I will see you in the next video.